Good afternoon, students. As we have already discussed about the classified ads and the two topics which were left, that will continue today, and after that we'll go for the display or the commercial ads. Uh, I'm going to share the screen with you. Look at that, the topic which was left, that is, if we are to give any ad for obituary, that means at the death of someone, for the prayer meeting, or to show our feeling of grief, we have to show, to give ad, then these type of classified advertisements can be there. You can see the value points of this: for obituary, name of the person who died, death of date of the death, then prayer meeting, date, time, venue, list of the mourners who are giving this message, and then the contact details. And in the same way, if you are to for give an ad in the memory of someone after 2 years or 3 years, then you can add like this: in memoriam heading, then in loving memory of Amina Begum, who left us on 10th July 6 years ago for your heavenly abode, but your memory is still fresh in our hearts and will continue to give us a reason to live with smile. And then name of the person who is giving this ad and his or her relation with that person. After this, we come to the next, another form, that is services, in which we have already discussed about tours and travels. One more ad sample is their tutor services. Means if we want to have tutor at home, or if we want to give our services as home tutor, then this type of ads can be there. Home tutors available for all subjects, CBSE state boards, qualified experienced tutors for math, science, English, music, etc. in all parts of the city, guaranteed success at nominal charges. Contact brilliant home tutorials, Lakkad Bazaar, Ludhiana, and then contact number. That means complete address and contact number is to be given, because this type of ad can be from some coaching center, or if you want to give individually from your side, as we have done for situation wanted, the same is here. Then one more sample for the classified advertisement is if we are to give any public notice in the form of change of name, or if any warning or any notice is to be given to some employee, some worker of the firm or institution, or some legal notice by the courts, or some government offices are given, then these type of ads can be given in the classified. For the change of name, you have to mention all these points: your previous name, your new name, your address, and your contact number. Yeah, see the value points: purpose of notice, change of name, tender, warning or disclaimer, etc. Issued by, relevant information, and contact details. Now let's go for the display advertisements. You have seen that in the classified advertisements, you have to be very careful for the words. You have to write only very simple, brief words in the form of phrases, short phrases, not complete sentences with the subject and verb and it should be written in a paragraph in continuation, because you are charged for that by the newspaper with column and size and per word according to per words. But in the display advertisements, as the name tells us, that information in such advertisements is displayed in such a manner so as to catch an onlooker's attention, while classified advertisements are dull, likely to text only characteristic. Display advertisements are designed with the freedom of various font sizes, slogans, visuals like sketches, drawing, pictures, or designs. In fact, these advertisements are much like commercial posters. It's just like the commercial posters. You give these type of display advertisements. In these advertisements, you are free to give your own ideas. Any font size can be used. You can use slogans, you can draw pictures, you can draw sketches, or you can make any designs. And these ads are especially for the commercial point of view, just like the posters. From business point of view, when you want to attract the customers or you want to promote the sale of your product, then these type of advertisements are given. Some important purposes why these commercial or display advertisements are given. Display advertisements can be used to promote some products, services, announce events and competitions, or invitations to certain occasions. Some prominent purposes of display advertisements are promotion of products or services, creating public awareness, making appeals or announcements, spreading general information like admission notices extra by the schools or the colleges, opening of a showroom, clearance sale, etc. These type of advertisements take more space in the newspaper, so they are more costly than the classified advertisements. As here one is charged per square centimeter at the premium rates for colored pages or font and back pages. It is up to the person who is giving the advertisement that how much space one wants to cover: half page, one fourth page, full page, front or back, both sides, colored or black and white. So accordingly one has to pay for that. So these type of advertisements, display or the commercial, cost more than the classified advertisement, because the classified advertisement take only column, and according to the words they are charged, because we have to write in paragraph and less space is taken. Here you can take the space according to your budget. Whatever you want to spend, accordingly you can take the space. Or you have to design these advertisements keeping the target reader or customer in the mind. Whenever these type of advertisements are designed, one has to keep it in mind their readers or their customers कैसे लोग हैं, कैसे customers हैं उनके link में आने वाले. Display advertisements are designed creatively using free play with font sizes, color combination, catchy slogans, logo, pictures, cartoons, and other symbols of store. Although there are no set rules as to how to design a display advertisements, following points may be useful. You must keep it in mind the size and shape, what size of ad you want to give, whether you want to give in square, rectangular, vertical rectangular, or horizontal rectangular. You are free to choose according to your own, but according to your examination point of view, you must use one page of your answer sheet for this display or the commercial advertisement. Then think of catchy slogans or jingles. That means you must mention some slogan or jingles. That means the rhyming lines or the words which can rhyme in the form of poetry to attract the customers. Then prominent matter should be written boldly. Don't clutter your advertisements with too much of text. Too much text matter should not be there. Whatever you want to give in the form of points or with bullets or stars, so that it can be highlighted and can be easily readable. Use visuals if you can draw easily, but don't waste too much time on them. Then make sure that your advertisement contains important relevant information. You must mention the issuing authority, or organization's name and contact details, so that if any customer or anyone who wants to contact you, they can easily contact you. Yes, but after this, I'm giving you some solved samples also, which you can go through. As you can see on the screen, that there is an ad given for some institution. The name of the institution is Go Ahead Institution, and how they are presenting for the admission open, giving their salient features, specialties अपनी क्या दे रहे हैं वो, experience, faculty, rich notes, short questionnaires, frequent tests, individual attention, small batches, and it is open for 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th for both boards, CPSE, ICSE. So in this way, what type of features or the characteristics you want to give, all should be added. Then they, on the other side, they have given the image, creating, covering all subjects. Subjects are mentioned for all these classes. Then address, contact number is given, and even they have offered for a free demo class. Complete address and contact number is to be given. Now see the next sample that is given to you for your health. Some fitness center there is, and they are giving, join us today to become healthy and active. Separate sections for boys and girls, personal training, team, spa sections, special cardio sections, aerobics hall, shower rooms, flexible timings, special discount on annual membership. See how they are giving the points with the bullets or the stars, and highlighting those points, not in the form of a paragraph as we give in the classified advertisement. Then images are there, graphics are there, which can attract the customers with complete address and contact number. Next, third sample given to you is time to upgrade yourself. That is for some English coaching classes, English cafe, morning, evening batches available. And again, they are giving you the features which they are having in their center with the complete address and contact number. One more sample is there, which is given to you by some pre-primary school, Rainbows Preschool. And they are also giving their salient features: ideal atmosphere, fun games, safe campus, loving staff, experienced teachers, exploration first, play, learn, grow. You can draw any picture according to your own. You can show your creativity here by using any font size, any picture showing the salient features of that particular institution or the firm or the company for which you are promoting the product. See, they have mentioned playgroup, nursery, junior KG, senior KG, daycare, then with complete address, contact number, and email ID of the school is given. One more ad sample is there for the drinks. Beat the heat with fruit Avit, 100% natural fruit juices available in all flavors they have mentioned. So with the picture and with the images, graphics they have made clear just to attract the customers. You can see here again the contact number with email ID and different type of sizes available there. One more sample is there, home loan fair. That is, you can apply for the loan for buying your home or anything else. For that, they have given all the salient features: quick disposal, then longest repayment period, lowest EMI, no processing fee, higher loan eligibility. And again, you can see with the picture of the home they have made, and with complete address and contact number is there. So students, I think now the display or the commercial advertisement must be clear to you. I'll send you one assignment and you must solve that assignment. And if there is any doubt, you can contact and send your queries.